All right, so some people have hobbies. I love to study eyes. Over the past 10 years of being in practice and thousands of hours of research, I wanted to give you my top 4 principles for treating and managing dry eye. Number 1, prevention. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. What does this mean? If you take care of your eyes now, you're not going to have issues later. So things like lid scrubs, warm compresses, lid hygiene, these are key to keeping your eyes happy and healthy and stopping dry eye from ruining your day, ruining your vision, affecting your day-to-day life. Number 2, reducing symptoms. Now realize that dry eye is a chronic condition. There's nothing we're gonna do to cure it, so no matter what we do, how diligent you are about your treatment protocol, you're gonna have flare-ups. When these flare-ups happen, call the office. We have a lot of different treatments that we can do in the moment. Whether it's a deep lid cleaning or a short-term dose of steroids, we can reduce those symptoms and get you back to functioning normal quicker. Number 3, restoring homeostasis, that natural balance of where your body wants to be at. Homeostasis is where your body is functioning at its optimal level. There's a lot of therapies that we do that restore this natural function. My 2 favorite ones are IPL, Intense Pulse Light Therapy, and TearCare. The beauty of these is that both of these are natural and not drop-based. Now, there are pharmaceutical options that we can do to help restore that homeostasis. The majority of the time, the natural-based therapies are more effective than a pharmaceutical option. And then once we get you back to that optimal way your body wants to be, we want to maintain what we've done. This last verse will sound a lot like the first. It's lid hygiene, lid scrubs, warm compresses, using the right kind of makeup, and this is going to help maintain natural functioning homeostasis and maintain it into the future. So those are the 4 principles to treating dry eye: preventing it from happening, reducing symptoms and flare-ups, restoring your natural body's balance of how your eyes want to operate, and then maintaining what we've created. Do those 4 things, your eyes will be happy, healthy, and you'll be seeing great for years to come. As I said before, I love talking about eyes. I love giving you information that can help you maximize your vision. So like us, subscribe. We have new content coming out every week. You're gonna be amazed at what I'm gonna tell you about your eyes.